I still remember we are running with, I guess. Yeah. Yes, sir. ECOMVISION version 1 we done, version 2 also we done. But anyway, I will give small recap, and I need to, generally I will deliver 5 versions remaining assignment for you. Total 10 versions I have created actually. Okay. Okay. Let us start. The very first one would be ECOMVISION 1. ECOMVISION 1. Yeah. If you open ECOMVISION 1, you can see SRC. The next one, read.md file, and requirements actually txt. Okay. If you open SRC, any idea? Ecom, run underscore ecom. Yeah. So run underscore ecom.py. If you open ecom, utilities. Yeah. Utilities. Utilities. This and can I maintain space? The next one would be underscore underscore init, right? init.py special module. If you open utilities actually tools.py, the next one would be underscore underscore init. Okay, that's what we understand even yesterday. I will give a small recap. Second one also same. Second ECOMVISION also same actually. ECOMVISION also same. But let me tell you, with ECOMVISION 1 and ECOMVISION 2, what we done actually? Okay, in ECOMVISION 1, from ECOMVISION 1, by looking at that, what we need to understand? Sir, project structure you need to be understand. First 2 point. What you need to be understand? Project structure. What do you mean by that actually? Inside that project, what are all components would you have? Like a folder name, module name, these are all important actually. Just the project structure. But ECOMVISION 2, this one will be, yeah, as it is the project structure you need to be understand. What is the second point, sir? We are not using, I mean to say this project we are not using underscore underscore init file. Advantages actually. We are not using underscore underscore init file. Without using that one, what we are doing, sir, we are hitting the website. Chappan sir, we are hitting the website. Okay, hitting the website. I hope hitting the URL, then getting the data. I mean, getting the data, creating a data frame. Creating what exactly? Data frame. Creating a data frame. Please make a note actually. There is one point I wanted to highlight. We are not using. What we are not using? Init file. But let me tell you, the structure is seriously core, very awesome actually. We have created a tools. Inside tools there is a function load underscore data. That function we are calling run underscore ecom. Such a nice actually. Sir, what is the third project, sir? The third project will be get ready. So, quite interesting. So, same project structure you need to be understand. Yeah, project structure you need to be understand. Second point will be, right, sir, we are planning to use, planning to use, what exactly, sir? Yeah, previously as of now, I don't have any plan. Now we are going to use, today you will get a clarity. A long back I promised, don't worry. One day I will explain about this one. Today we will get a clarity. Sir, many advantages you are going to understand. Inside init file, we can write some Python code. I don't know if you already know Python, either you know or not, I'm not sure. But many of other trainers, they never cover this point actually. Many of other Python trainers, full stack Python developers also, they don't know this one actually. But in real time, how we are using this one, I will cover you. Same thing, we are hitting the website. Get ready. Website. The next one, getting the data. The next one, creating a data frame. Creating what exactly, sir? Data frame. Creating a data frame. Okay. Are you ready then? Yeah, good. Let's ready. Sir, today, what happened, today, update from my side. Update from my side, actually. Point number one, I have created, so AI interview guide material. That material name is so called as, I have given that name AI interview guide material. How I have created the format, so look at my screen. The format I have created like this. Let's take a machine learning. Let's take what exactly? Machine learning. On an average, I have created total 1 to something like a 120 plus questions I have created actually. Questions and answers. That's the beauty with our material. And I send this one to my well-wisher. So my well-wisher, my senior actual. So he's from USA, and I send him, and he done review comment. He done review and given some review comments. Given some what exactly? Review comments actually. Listen carefully. How I have given 1 to 10, 1 to 120 like a order. First question, second question, third question, fourth question, fifth question, like that actually. But generally, I used to follow suggestions. I asked to my senior, and he told, "Hey Daniel, do one thing. Create a playlist like this. Playlist in the sense, create a material like this. Special interview material. Let's take a machine learning. Under machine learning, linear regression. What is that? Under linear regression, beginner level. Okay, I really feel amazing actually. Intermediate level. The next one, advanced level. What level? I really mesmerized actually. This format looks very good. Am I right? Now the next one also. What is the next topic actually? Logistic regression. Now under logistic regression, same story. Same story. What story actually? Beginner level, intermediate level, advanced level. Up to you. Do you wanted to create here some 10 questions? That's up to you. 10 questions. The 10 questions actually. This is seriously amazing. 10 questions like this. Now what I'm doing, again I'm recreating the material. Rework actual. I already created material, but again I need to shuffle actually. I feel this one would be good, I guess. Why? Because best example, if you wanted to start interview preparation, you have to start from beginner level. Next one intermediate level. Next one advanced actually. So that whole material, I'm just trying to reshuffling again. So I feel really this one good. Is it good idea? Maybe I need your comments also. Okay, okay. And he suggested one more thing also. Add one more fourth point, which is so called as a expert level. What level? That don't add now. You can add later actually. Come again. Expert in the sense only. Best example, linear regression where you are using project. Like a domain wise actually. Right. Fine. Anyway, this is the very soon. I hope I already told. I have already created a material, but I'm just trying to, so recreating. It takes some time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Even ChatGPT will give, but so I wanted to use my experience. Thank you. Thank you for your suggestion. Uh, from my experience, if I'm giving, it will be helpful for you, right? I will show one sample material, you will get an idea. Maybe So maybe tomorrow I can show you, you'll get an idea. So this is, I'm working on this. This is the update from my side. Okay. Yeah, back to the session. Let's focus on this. Let's focus on this. ECOMVISION 3 project structure. I hope what kind of project structure you already know. We are planning to use what exactly, sir? Init file, and we are going to hit the website, getting the data, creating a data frame. Are you ready? Let's ready. Let's take this. As usual, chapter sir, src read.md. Next one, requirements dot txt. Okay. Inside src chapter sir, ecom చెప్పండి run underscore ecom.py. Inside ecom చెప్పండి utilities. You should remember this utilities. The next one underscore underscore init init underscore underscore. Inside utilities tools.py and init file. What file? Init file. Init file actual. Okay. Init file. Now please, I need your help actually. What file we are going to use, I will tell you. Either this file we are going to use, this file we are going to use, I will tell you. Please be focused actually. Be focused. Get ready to understand. We'll do one thing. You can just try to go and get ECOMVISION 3. ECOMVISION 3. ECOMVISION 3. First, quickly, I can walk through SRC. Open run underscore ecom. Wow. Make a note on this one without using. We are not using. As of now, I don't want to use actually. If you are not using from ecom.utilities.tools.load underscore data, right? Now, module name dot, yeah, you have loaded individually this function having the return statement. That statement we need to do actually. Now minimize this one. Sir, let's focus on ECOMVISION 3. Now let's open the code actually. Great. Get ready to understand. Wow. Focus. Did you notice the difference actually? If you're not using init file, you have to write end to end actually. You have to write ecom you need to write, utilities you need to write, tools you need to write, then function you need to import like this actually. Such a long name. But if you are using init file, I will tell you in init file, understand the code actually from, okay, ecom utilities. Chapter one more time. From ecom utilities actually. Utilities. Indirectly we are asking, inside utilities, there is a init file. Check inside that init file. Listen carefully. I will show you. Hold on. Okay. Utilities dot. This is quite interesting, man. Generally, load underscore data where it is available. Chappal. Inside tools it is available. Come on, please. Yesterday you have to prepare actually. Load underscore data is a function. It is available inside tools. But we supposed to access by using tools, but instead of that, what you are accessing? Utilities. Utilities. Let's open utility. Okay, hold on. Just try to ECOMVISION 3. Open utilities Daniel actually. Inside utilities, init file would have. Open this file. This is really great idea, man. Wow. Make a note on this one. Perfect actually. In utilities, inside utilities init file would we have, what exactly we are doing, you know, we are configuring the whole function details. The whole what exactly? Function. I mean to say the whole package, ecom utilities tool load underscore data. Whenever you are importing like this, what exactly happen, you know, sir? It touches init file. Inside init file, exactly it will capture this function automatically actually. This is the one of the great added advantage. I'm repeating in one more time. This is one of the great added advantage actually. Daniel, why added advantage? Imagine, sir, this is a very long name. If you go previously, very long name actually. Very long name. Instead of this long name, Daniel, do you have any shortcuts actually? Yeah, from ecom, import utilities. Then go to utilities. Inside of this one, init file would you have? Here, configure the function. Cheppandi here, configure the function. If you configure the function here, what is added advantage, sir? Utilities dot call the function. Yeah, you can access the function directly. Yeah, it is giving what exactly, sir? These are all, I'm pretty sure. It is returning the data frame. It is returning what exactly, sir? Data frame. Now, that's it. Can just have to open the tools. Can I close these are all? Open the tools. Open the tools. And here, look at this one. This I can delete. I can modify the code later actually. Wow. Only one change, man. What is that change? Go to main file. Instead of, so long name, here we are using what exactly, sir? Yeah, we need to configure. I will tell you. Here I will create one function. That function, let us try to access here actually. Then you will get an idea. Then you will get what exactly? Idea. Come on, let's do that actually. First, let me run this. Idu ఒకసారి run చేస్తాను చూడండి. మీకు ఒక idea వస్తుంది. We have to pre-configure. You can just have to come ECOMVISION 3. I will explain 2 to 3 times. With your better understanding, your understanding really matter for me. Let me run this piece of code. Okay. Very good, sir. Very good. We are getting an output actually. Do one thing. Go to tools and here define one function. def Daniel return 311. Return what exactly? 311. Ayyo sir, this Daniel I wanted to call in, so run underscore ecom. Can you help me how to call actually? Same thing like this. Okay. You can just have to call it last actually. You can maintain some space. Yeah, good. Kind of some a equals to, what is the function name chapter? Daniel. Where it is available? Then go to the utilities. Okay. And here how to configure actually chapter? From ecom dot utilities dot tools, tools import చెప్పండి. That's it. Before calling, configure in init file. Configure in init file actually. Let's just have to access this one. Perfect, sir. What perfect, Daniel? You need to print a you need to print a actual. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Can I tell you? Can I tell you? Daniel, in real time, where exactly we are using? Everywhere we are using. Go to the pandas. What we're importing? We are importing pandas. Means we are importing pandas. Pandas is a package. Inside pandas folder, init file would you have? What file would you have? There all functions configured actually. There all functions configured. Now here, how you are accessing utilities dot load data? Think like import pandas as a PD. PD dot read underscore CSV. Did you remember? PD dot read underscore CSV. Inside pandas, init file would you have? That's what we are able to access that function actually. ఆ పాయింట్ మీకు అర్థం కావాలి. Let me repeat one more time. Come on, I will explain one more. Simple. Instead of explanation, I will write here one function. You talk with me. def Naresh. You can just have to tell here. Let me just have to written. Hello, good evening. Okay, good. Chappan sir, I wanted to call this function. I wanted to call what exactly this function here. Can I call that function here directly? First of all, hold on. Hold on. Can I call that function directly here? No. Good, very good. Let us try to call. What happened? We'll see. Call చేద్దాం చూడండి ఏం జరుగుతుందో చూద్దాం. Name error. I mean, I wanted to show you the error. What error? Name error. This is the not right way. Then, first of all, where this function would you have actually? Inside utilities. Okay, utilities dot. Good. Then b equals to something like this. Then go to utilities. Yeah, Daniel. When I say utilities actually, Chappan sir, from ecom dot utilities dot tools import. Perfect, sir. Perfect actually. Now you can just have to print what exactly? Wow. Did you understand? Where are all you are touching the code, that you have to be understand. Main file, init file, tools. Main file, init file, tools. That's what you need to be understand. Good question. Sir, we no need to import the tools actually. That's the beauty here. Inside utilities, if you remember the structure, open ecom and utilities, inside utilities, tools would have actually. So here we are importing these tools, we are importing inside init file actually. Please understand this. Here you need to spend some time. So simple, this is called as a, we are configuring what are all required actual. We are configuring what are all required actual. What are all required. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Excellent. Come again, come again. Oh, good, excellent question. Excellent question. Madam is asking Daniel how to check. Okay, let me tell you. First of all, this is my explanation. Good question, let me answer. Explanation. Imagine you are importing, import pandas as PD, then df equals to pd dot what exactly sir, read underscore csv. I'm telling this is coming from, where it is coming from, init file, no doubt in that. Asal samasya ledhu అందులో. You have to understand this actual. I will prove now. Actually. We'll do one thing. There are two ways. Madam. How to check? Either read underscore csv function coming from, of course it is coming from pandas. Inside pandas, it is coming from init file. What file actually? Init file. There are two ways. Check the code base actually. Second one. With program, let me show you. With program. What program, Children, sir. First of all, I have a question for you. Go back here. Let me close everything. Relax. Let's open the code actually. Here I wanted to write a code. That code should be, this is something like a, చెప్తారా sir? Import pandas as PD. df equals to pd.read underscore csv. Sales1 dot what exactly? csv. Print of df. Print of what exactly sir? df. చెప్పండి. Get the file. Listen carefully. Go to the data analysis. Get the file. What is the file? Sales1. Yeah. Get ready. You guys are almost near to understand the code actually. Ayyo. Sorry. Good. We are getting. Sir, you know what? Like this also we can access. From pandas import read underscore csv. Are you with me? How you are accessing from pandas? Listen carefully. Inside pandas, init file would you have? What file would you have? Then we are trying to accessing read underscore csv. This is absolutely valid actually. This is absolutely what exactly mean valid. Do one thing. Let us provide wrong name. Let inside pandas, first of all, Daniel we don't have. What we don't have, sir? Chappan sir? Daniel. Now read the error carefully. Sometimes we can learn from error. Let me prove, sir. Import error you will get. What error you will get? That it is telling, Arey boss, I cross verified inside INIT, there is no Daniel. Where it is checking? చెప్తారా ఇది ఎక్కడ చెక్ చేస్తుంది? Yeah, I mean to say, when you are calling read underscore csv also, it is checking in init file. This is the proof. Good question. You got it, I guess. Great. That is inbuilt, sir. The moment when you install pandas, that file it will come automatically. When you are installing pandas, that file it will come automatically inside pandas folder actually. Okay. There is a source code which is so called as a let's take this one, and here read the error carefully. Read the error carefully. Read the error. Take this one. You need to understand. It is telling cannot import name Daniel from so and so pandas. Exactly. Inside pandas there is a file. File name is called as a init. What is that one? I'm sure. I mean to say all predefined packages backend they are using init file to configure all functions. To configure all what exactly mean functions actually. Are you clear? Yeah. This if you practice then only you can understand. మీరు ఒకసారి 1 or 2 times practice చేయాలి, then you will get an idea. Can I talk with the online team? Did you understand, sir? Did you understand? This is the one of the best way. I hope you understand. Exactly, sir. అంటే చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే యూటిలిటీస్ లోకి వెళ్ళి ఇనిట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ క్లాసెస్ ని ఫంక్షన్స్ ని కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. మోర్ దెన్ దట్స్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. దట్ ఈస్ గుడ్ ఐడియా. Otherwise, we don't know what all functions are available inside tools actually. Exactly. చెప్పండి. మెథడ్స్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇఫ్ యూర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద మెథడ్స్ అండ్ అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ ఇన్సైడ్ క్లాస్ లోపల ఉంటాయి. ఆ క్లాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? టూల్స్ లో ఉంటుంది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫంక్షన్ సార్. కెన్ ఐ రైట్ వన్ క్లాస్ యాక్చువల్? ఒక క్లాస్ రాయమంటారా? గుడ్ ఐడియా. యూ కెన్ కమ్ హియర్. You can just try to come here, run, listen carefully. Yeah, Daniel, you can open ecom, you can open utilities, you can open tools. I will write one small class. That's still okay. Sorry, class Prasad. DEF M1 self print off. Hello. Otherwise, how are you? Now, sir, inside tools, function number 1, function number 2, function number 3. Sir, talk with me one more. Class. Good. This class, let us create an object actually. Come here. Let us just have to create an object for that class. C equals to P equals to what exactly? Prasad. Can I create it directly? No. We have to configure inside utilities actually. Inside init file, you have to configure. Follow the procedure. If you understand one flow, other flows are very easy, sir. How to configure చెప్తారా? From ecom dot utilities dot tools import what exactly? Prasad. Excellent actually. Either it is a function or class, doesn't matter. We have to configure. Then now what we need to do, sir? P dot చెప్తారా? P dot what exactly? M1. Cinema is over actually. Can I call this one? No. 3. Perfect. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? You can write function, classes, these are all things. Now today, what exactly I explained, when you are calling read underscore CSV, read underscore JSON, some functions you are calling, all those functions are configured in init file. Please remember this point. This is, trust me, no one ever covered this point actually. Many people don't know this point. Chappan boss. Yeah, you are getting an output out. How are you? Yeah. Correct. Okay. So you can just try to come here. That checking we are not doing, ma'am. But anyway, pip install pandas. You need to go to that location. You need to, let's take this location till lib site underscore packages. Now here you can cross verify. There are 2 ways, ma'am. One is the documentation. The next one is open this. If you open this one, did you notice? Inside pandas, there is a file name is init actual. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? So that R&D you guys need to do. There is a proof. Are you with me or not, sir? Like that we can do. Where exactly this pandas is available, I hope I already told. It is available inside site-FN packages. All third-party libraries, it is being getting installed in site-FN packages. Am I right? Did I cover? Oh, seriously? Sorry. Then let me cover this point. Imagine whenever you are installing all libraries, so you have installed all libraries. What are libraries we have installed actually? Chapter first one, pandas we have installed. Next one, matplotlib we have installed. Next one, seaborn you have installed. The next one, scikit-learn you have installed. Yeah, good. Scikit, what exactly learn you have installed. The next one, TensorFlow you have installed. Yeah, sir, these are all files. When you are installing, it will come in your system. It will download and it will just try to store in separate location. Do you want to know that location? All these libraries, all these are, living in the location. Living in the sense storing. Think like that. There is a location. That location name is called as a. This is the location, sir. This is the location. Site-FN packages. Take anything, any package. C users, Daniel, C drive, app data, local, programs, Python, Python 3W1, lib, next one, site-FN packages. See, do you want to see pandas actually? Go to that location. Is it important? Not much important, but if you want more understanding, yeah. Now here, check the pandas. Yeah, pandas, matplotlib. Matplotlib, seaborn, all, no doubt in that. Seaborn actually, TensorFlow. Did you understand? In that location, we can check actually. Okay. Re it will be replaced. It will be replaced actually. Right? Good. Anyway, we went into some different dimension, but I'm sure you got a clarity. All predefined functions are coming from init file. All predefined functions are coming from. Let me tell you, many people don't know this one. You should ever actually. This is the proof. When I was explaining about the Python package topic, that day I told, don't worry about the init file. During project discussion, I will tell you. Today I told actual. I have a question for you. Read underscore CSV is a function in pandas. That function coming from where? That's it. That's a proof actually. Okay? అది మీకు అర్థం కావాలి. Okay? Online team, are you clear, sir? Did you understand? అయ్యో, no response from anybody. చెప్పండి మ్యామ్. Documentation. Yeah, yeah. So do you want to another way? Documentation in the sense, go to the Google. Here you can just try to cross verify. Pandas documentation. This you guys need to do R&D in your free time. You can just try to come here. Source code you can see. You can just try to download the documentation. I don't want as of now. Pandas data frame class. Maybe I told, I guess, this point. Here you can see the source code actually. Same thing like that. Go to the API reference and you can cross verify. There is a source code inside this one. How they have written, you can cross verify actually. You guys need to do little R&D. You will get an idea. Okay. So if you are clicking on this one, how the data frame internally it is created, you will get an idea. You will get an idea. So if you closely observe here, so go to the pandas and here init file would you have. Init file would you have. If you open this one, you will understand. But let me tell you, we are not using this one. This is just for proof. I know how the library is available behind. I know very well actually. Just these are all proofs. When you will understand, once you joined in a company, you are working 6 months, 1 year, then you will understand internal structure, how it is, what it is. Meanwhile, you can just have to skip this one. No need to focus on this. Okay. Online team, last confirmation I need actually. Are you following everybody? Yeah, good. Supriya Garu, thank you. Dinesh, Sahu sir, Bhavita ma'am, Govinda sir, Vishwa. Good. Let's close everything. Let's close everything. Let's close everything. Good. Whatever I have covered, let's take a small recap. ECOMVISION 1. Chapter sir, project structure. ECOMVISION 2. project structure as it is. But we are not using init file as of now. Daniel, why? Without that one also we can move on actually. Next one, hitting the website. Chappan sir, hitting. By using URL, you are hitting the website. Getting the data, creating a data frame. Creating what exactly? Data frame. That's what we done actually. ECOMVISION 3. Chaptara ECOMVISION 3. Chappan sir, project structure as it is. The next one, we are planning to use init file. The next one, hitting the website. Chappan sir, getting the data, creating data frame. And not only this, we added some extra functions also, and we understand. And so here, so the point will be, we configured all functions. We configured. What exactly mean configured all functions actually. What are either functions if you want, classes also if you want actually. Are you? I hope you are clear. Can I move on? Where you configured actually? Ekkada configure chesam sir? init file. If you want more clarity. Okay. Now the next one, ECOMVISION 4. Generally, I should combine the code and I should explain. I should combine. Generally I supposed to explain ECOM 3. But if I explain directly ECOM 3, first I need to explain project structure. You need to remember. Second one, I need to explain about init file. You need to remember. That's what I splitted the project. First one, project structure. Next one without init file. Next one with unit file. Now the next requirement actually. Like every requirement I created a separate project. More clarity. Okay, good. Daniel, what you are doing here actually? In ECOMVISION 4, what you are doing actually? What I'm doing, sir? Project structure as it is. Okay. We are planning to use init file. That's fine. Sir, hitting the website. Getting the data. Creating a data frame. There is one excellent step we are doing here actually. There is one excellent step we are doing. What is that step? Let me discuss with you. Let me discuss. Think, just to think actually. There is one question, let me look into that. Either it is a question or not, I'm not sure. Maybe let me look into that so that Siddiq Sarji, we are defining functions inside tools, importing the class package where the functions are defined inside init file and calling the functions inside. You are giving information, right, sir? You are not asking question, I guess. Valid point. I hope you are giving information. I can sense this is your running notes, I guess, actually. Okay, let's move on, sir. ECOMVISION 4. Just let me tell you, client have given requirement. Client have given exactly. You're right, sir. You're right, actually. Client has given around some 4 requirements. How many requirements, Chaptara? 4 requirements, actually. Requirements. First requirement will be client is telling, do one thing. You can just have to get the first 5 rows. First to what exactly? 5 rows, actually. First to 5 rows. This requirement client has given at morning 9 a.m. Morning what exactly? 9 a.m. And you done the task. Generally, I'm telling in a very simple way. 9 a.m. you done actually. Now client has given last 5 rows. Last 5 rows actually. Client has given this task after you have submitted. Listen carefully. Your terminology is important. After you submitted the first task, client has given the next task actually. And one more task client has given. What is the task, sir? Number of rows and columns. Number of what exactly? Rows and what exactly? Columns actually. I'm sure you know the functionality. That's what I'm telling. 11 a.m. actually. Now one more requirement. What is that requirement actually? Client is asking find info. Find what exactly, sir? Info. Info actually. Find info. 12 a.m. actually. Or else 12:30 p.m. 12:30 what exactly? p.m. actually. Sorry. p.m. Good. Now I have a question. Total how many requirements? 4 requirements. That too, there is a time frame. 9, 11, 12, I'm sorry, 11, 12:30. Now here is the story. What happened, sir? You started the first task. Listen. Started the first task. First task actually. Successfully you done. What you done? Created a program, hitting the website. What exactly, sir? Hitting the website, getting the data, blah, blah, blah. These are all things we done actually. These are all things we done. Now, once your task is done, you are happy and you went to cafeteria and you had a coffee, you back actually. Now the second requirement again you are starting. Second requirement again you are starting actually. Second requirement again you are starting. Sir, same process. What process? Hitting the website and getting the data and close the requirement actually. This is the same process. Now here, how many times you are hitting the website? Good. How many times? Yeah. Conclusion. 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 Uh, we are hitting 4 times actually. Think like we are hitting 4 times. Client didn't give in all requirements in one shot. First 1 hour given, second 1 hour given, third 1 hour given, like this actually. Good. Now here is the story. What happened, sir? First task you done. First task, what exactly you done? While doing the second task, while doing the second task, sir, internet gone. Internet connection is not working properly. If no internet connection, you cannot hit the website. Are you with me or not, sir? So don't, but client need the output. We should not tell Kakama stories actually. Client, we don't have internet. Sometimes in company, when you're working in company, they may face internet issues. Admin team, they will send one small mail. We are in under maintenance. Please keep calm and quiet actual. Just next 1 hour, no internet. They will send mail like this only. We used to get a back-to-back mail, sir. We are sorry for inconvenience. Who needs sorry, sir? We are sorry for inconvenience. We are in under maintenance. The network having some issues. We are trying to fixing in the back end. So please keep calm. They will tell actually. If you are facing issue, admins what they will do, sir, manager and lead actually, they will send mail back to back. Hey, internet is not working. Please make sure it's supposed to be work. Otherwise, it is blocking our work actually. But anyway, that is the issue with the company, not issue with the client actually. Now here what we need to do, to proceed the second task, here is a great task actually. Anyway, first time you are hitting, right? Chappan sir, first time. Chappan sir, first time you are hitting, right? You are hitting, right? When you are hitting the website, you are getting what exactly? Data frame. You are getting what exactly? Data frame. Okay, do one thing. Data frame. Can we save? Okay. Can we save that data frame in local actually? Chappan sir, in local? Can we save? How to do? Perfect. 2 underscore CSV. Now, once you save 2 underscore CSV, unfortunately, second time hitting no internet connection actually. Is it blocking our task actually? No. Why? Because we have a backup. We have what exactly? That's what we are doing now. That's fine, sir. It will load actually. It will load like a chunk of the data. That's still fine. It will load actually. Yeah, object. That's what I told actually. It is not like a continuous task. After 1 hour, you finished the task actually. You finished it. Yeah, reload. Imagine if it is a Jupyter file, you are reopening, you need to restart Jupyter. Otherwise, you'll get a name error. Am I right? So here, that's what I told. There are steps you have to be follow. First time, second time, third time, that too, there is a time frame. It's not like client have given all these tasks in one shot. If client have given all these tasks in one shot, actually, I can write only one program. And I can, with one data frame, I can finish all these tasks actually. But client have given different tasks. Morning 9 a.m. I submitted the task. Then again client has given, submitted the task. Again client has given, submitted the task. 4 times I'm hitting actually. Good valid question actually. Any question? If it is a more data also okay. If it is a huge chunk of the data also okay. Now Daniel, what you're doing? What I'm doing, sir. We are hitting the website, getting the data, saving into the local. Saving into local. Good. So ECOMVISION 4. Project structure. Saving the data in what exactly mean? Local actual. There are many ways, sir. Imagine client may give directly CSV file, one way. Client will tell there is a data in database, second way. Client may give JSON file, third way. Sometimes client will give API, kind of some URL. We need to hit that URL, get the data. This is that scenario. These are all different ways, like a data collection section. Okay, saving the data in local. Why we are saving chapter? For reusing purpose. For what purpose? Reusing purpose actually. Reusing what exactly purpose? That's the purpose of 2_CSV. That's the actual purpose actually. Getting right. Good. This is great analogy. I will do one thing. I can just try to delete everything. I will just try to projects. Which project I need to copy? Ecom 4. Thank you for your help. Let's do that. I organized it very well, sir. Frankly speaking, you can understand step by step. Good. Hitting the website, getting the data. No init file. Hitting the website, getting the data with init file. Hitting the website, getting the data with init, saving the data into local. Saving the data into local. Sir, structure is not same. Please focus, and here please focus on the structure. A small change in the structure. Ecom vision 4. Now, Chapani SRC read and read.md. The next one requirement. Chapani sir. Hold on. We can open and we can see. Wow. SRC read requirement. What is that? In real time, there is a one more extra file. That file name is called as a data. That file name is called as what exactly? Data. Remaining all things are same. But let me focus on this data folder actually. In real time, data is a folder, contains two types of folders. Contains two types. First one is called as a raw data. What is the first one? Raw. Raw actually. I mean raw in the sense client, how client as it is, how client is giving. The next one is called as a processed actually. Processed actually. Data folder contains two folders. First one raw data, next one processed data. Anyway, processed is the ECOMVISION file. Let me talk about. Here we are planning to save. Here we are planning to save the data. Save what exactly? Data. That is our plan actual. Make a note on this one. Where I wanted to save inside? Chappan sir. Where I wanted to save inside? Raw. Okay. Okay. Fine. Inside SRC. Chappan sir. Ecom. Ecom kada. The next one. Thank you sir. Run underscore ecom.py. Inside ecom. The next one. Init file. These are all you have to practice. Chappan. Tools.py. No change. Everything copy paste actually. Init file. Very good. Are you ready? Get ready. Quite interesting. There is a quite interesting. See, the point will be, yeah. Listen carefully. Here there is a function. Here there is a function. That function we have configured inside init file. You know, so by using utilities, we are calling. Yeah, Daniel. Yeah, Daniel. Now here we have a data frame. Chappan sir, here we have a data frame. Listen carefully. Where data frame would have actually run underscore ecom. I mean to say which folder actually chaptara? I'm sorry. Exactly where which folder would have SRC? This data frame, if you are using here 2_CSV, the file it will be created inside SRC. Listen please. Here if you call a method name is a 2_CSV. 2 underscore CSV always create the file in current directory. What directory? But I don't want current directory. I want to save in where exactly, sir? Inside demo. The next one, inside raw. And here I want to save. That's the beauty. We are doing. Let me repeat. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్తాను చూడండి. Can I ask you one question? ఒక ప్రశ్న అడగమంటారా మిమ్మల్ని with my whole explanation? Where data frame? Data frame ఎక్కడుంది present? ఇక్కడ run underscore ecom. Okay, good. Imagine if the data frame is here, you can use one method. Method name is called as a 2 underscore CSV. 2 underscore what exactly? CSV. If you are using 2 underscore CSV, where file will be created, sir? File ekkada create avuddi? Very good. Same directory. Same directory in the sense, but I don't want to create here actually. That's the beauty. I don't want to create. Where I wanted to create? Yeah, make it separate. Separation actual. I don't want to create here. This data frame I wanted to travel inside data, raw. Here I wanted to create. That code we have written. I mean, you understand? Can I continue? Online team, I hope you understand, sir. Such a nice project is awesome. You have to practice. Meer practice here. Raw is a folder, sir. See, if either it is a folder or not, here if I specify like this actually, if it is a Python program, I will give extension. Make a note here. Extension I am giving everywhere. Then where or all like this actually, it is a folder you need to be understand. Did you understand? Who is asking? Yeah, yes, sir. Perfect. That's what I maintain the extension actual. Extension. No confusion. For your kind information, same thing I will explain one more time. Not now. Understand the code first. Understand the code. Are you ready? I have a question for you. Where raw folder is there? Inside data. Very good. Where ecom folder is there? SRC. Where tools is there? Where utilities is there? This structure you should be aware. Whenever you are going for interview, first they will ask, explain about the project structure. If you are telling, I don't know, then they will tell, we don't have a job actually. Conclusion of the story, though you worked in project, right? They will expect the project structure at least. Then you can tell directly, project name is ECOMVISION, which contains data folder, SRC folder, data contains raw folder, processor folder. If you are able to tell this flow, that guy will understand, man, this guy worked actually. Anodu work chesadu anna confidence untadu anamata. Did you understand? Good. Let's move on. Open ecom. Ecom 4. Good. Which file I need to open? Raw, you can just have to. Okay, nothing is there as of now. SRC. Which one I need to open, sir? Yeah, always you have to start from here. Good, very good. Wow, same story. Same story. From ecom import, we are using init file. Then I no need to stress more actually. Yeah, utilities dot load underscore data. Data frame in our hand, we got a data frame. If you have a data frame here, then what we need to do? I need to save this data frame in raw folder. In what folder? See, hold on. Imagine, let me just have to take this. You are taking this one and directly you are using 2 underscore CSV. And here I would like to give what I wanted to, sir. We will give you the same thing actually. Same ide CSV. Now let me run this one. Sir, if you are running this, what exactly happened, Em jarugutundo telusa meeku? Exactly, sir. You catch my point actually. I am feeling so happy. Let me just try to run this. If you are running this one, you will get the file in SRC folder. What folder? SRC. Chudandi, wait cheyandi. See, manually we should not do. Daniel, do one thing. Cut. Come back. Paste. Sorry, sir, we should not do that. With being a developer, you have to talk with program. We need to restrict the program. Hey, go and create inside data actually. Go and create inside what exactly data. That's what we're doing. Seriously, very much fun. Okay, am I right? Are you ready? That's what I'm trying to stress that point actually. Now, what we need to do? We need to prepare the path. We need to guide the 2 underscore CSV method. Method, do one thing. Don't create any current directory. Create the file in inside raw. Inside data, inside raw. To tell that one, what we need to do, you know, sir, adi cheppadaniki manam em cheyalo telusa, this is the step we need to be follow. This is the step. What is the step? You know, we are creating transaction item in a raw folder. Actually, we do one thing. You can just have to look at my screen. This is something like a string directory name I am passing actually. From C to raw, we'll do one thing. You can just have to come here, look at my screen, go to the data, copy till inside raw actually. You can close this. You can just have to, you know, so copy here actually. Please compare. C matching, users matching, Nirikshan, sorry, not matching. What is supposed to replace? Did you understand? Good. The next one. Yeah, Daniel matching. Next one, desktop matching, project not matching. You can just have to take this one. You can pass here actually. The next one, ECOMVISION 4 matching, data matching, raw. Let me explain one more time. Did you understand? This project, when I was creating, I used this path actually. Why? Because in my local machine I run, in my local machine the path is the Nirikshan. But today I'm running this project in different system. Then take that path actually. Take that path. Okay. Copy this. Copy this. Copy this. Go to your program. Now it's the right time to compare. I'm explaining from scratch, man. Please. Right time to compare. All right. Users matching. Daniel, sir, we have to, you know, copy instead of Nirikshan. Desktop matching. Not matching. You can copy here actually. Okay. ECOMVISION 4 matching. Data matching. Raw. Perfect actually, sir. Your task is done. That's it. Now you are telling this is the directory. Sir, I'm sure I remembered format method I covered actually. I covered many number of times I told. To underscore CSV, we are telling this one is a placeholder. Whenever you are running this code, this format method directory, this total directory, you know, from here to here, it will become here actually. Then the file, it will be created automatically. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. All right. Let's run. I'm eagerly waiting. Let me run this. Which one, sir? Saved in? Okay. No worries, man. No worries. Okay. Online team. Let me run the code actually. We'll do one thing. First, I will open the data. I will just have to make it this one. Get ready. A small chota folder I'm opening here actually. Yeah. Okay. Now open project. Open ECOMVISION 4 SRC. Run the code actually. Now get ready to understand. I have a question. If I'm running this project, where file will be created actually? Are you ready? Are you sure? Come on, let's run. Well organized actually. Yeah, created, sir. Created actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Meeku ardhamayinda? Good. Project number 4 is very simple. What we're doing, you know, hitting the website, getting the data, creating the data frame, save into the local. That too, don't save wherever you want. You have to structure, create a separate data folder inside. You should not create inside SRC. SRC means source code only. You have to write only Python programs. Inside SRC, you should not create a folder which is so called as a data actual. That's what, you know, data and SRC. Both are separate branches. Both are separate branches. Both are separate branches actually. Okay. Good. What is the next task? You know, ECOMVISION 5. Is it okay? Can I continue? Can I continue? Yeah, good. What is ECOMVISION 5? You know? Yeah. The saved file we are going to load. What file we have saved actually? Transaction underscore items we have saved, right? Now our ECOMVISION 5 will be, we are hitting the website, getting the data, creating a data frame, save into the local. Now where you have saved actually inside raw folder, now we need to load the file from raw. We need to load the file from why you are loading actually? Apply some EDA. Apply some. After done EDA, create inside processed folder. Create inside what exactly? Process. Come on, these are all connectivities. After done EDA, what do you mean by EDA? Think like column names I'm planning to change. Then you will get a new data frame. That new data frame I wanted to save again into processed folder. What folder, sir? We should not save again into the raw. Why? Because raw means raw. You have to keep the same thing actually. Okay. First, let me take a notes. Actually, we'll get an idea. Till 5 versions I will explain. The remaining versions you have to do. EDA. Yeah. EDA. Anything you can do, sir. Transformation, handling missing value. These are all things actually. First, let me just try to take. Is it interesting? Yeah, very good. ECOMVISION. That's what, man. To understand these are all, Python is the base. What is the base? I'm talking more about the Python. First point, Daniel project structure. Yeah, very good, sir. We are planning to using init file. Now the next one, hitting the website. Getting the data. Creating the data frame. Am I right? Chepan, sir. Save into raw folder. What folder? Raw folder, which is called as a local. Which is called as what exactly? Local. Why you are saving actually? It is not a good practice hitting the website again and again. It takes a lot of time, sir. Did you notice? Chala time తీసుకుంటది. But if the data is in local, we can load very quickly. On an average, just a matter of 5 lakhs only, but it is taking huge amount of the time. You have to wait some time once after you're running. But from local, it can access very quickly, right? And yeah. Next point, load file from raw folder. What folder? Raw folder. Process it. Apply. Just do one thing. Change the name of the column. When you're loading, what you will get? Data frame only. When you're loading, what you will get, sir? Data frame only. Then, so we'll get a data frame. We'll get what exactly? Data frame. DF actual. Now, change the column names. Change column names actually. Column names changed. Now, save into processed folder. What folder? Processed folder in local actually. In what exactly? Local. Wow. I have a question for you. Inside data, how many folders? 2. One. Next one, processed folder. Are you ready? Quite interesting. Chala easy untadi. Till now, if you understand, actually, I supposed to explain ECOMVISION 5 directly. But if I explain ECOMVISION 5 directly, you may run actually. Am I right? Sorry for why? Because sir, my teaching methodology is like a spoon feeding. Don't ask where is a spoon actually. Frankly speaking, this is the whole project. I done lot of R&D. I wanted to explain like a steps wise actually. Steps wise. Then I spent some time. I created these are all versions actually, and I'm giving. Please understand. It takes a lot of time, sir. You don't know. I used to spend a lot of time for material preparation. I believe that if material is good, students will understand very easily. I believe. If material is not up to the mark, sessions are not good actually. Either session is good or not, material will talk. What it will talk? No, that's it. That's it actually. I believe that. Actually. Okay, let me stop my overaction. There is a one question I have seen from online team. Let me look into that. Should we change the folder name if you would like to actually? In real time, the folder name should be the same, sir. Data, raw, processed. If you want, you can change. That's nothing is wrong. Yeah, come again, sir. Sir, let me tell you. Based on your requirement, you can change the folders and you can change the files. But remember that folder name, file names actual. That's okay, you can change. But I followed the company standards. Instead of data folder, I will give Daniel. You may like Daniel, you can give, no worries actually. That's still fine. Okay. Yeah, I'm showing the code actually. Can you help me? What code I need to bring actually? ECOMVISION? I'm sure you are enjoying. Are you ready? Make a note on this. I hope you know why 2 folders. Good, get ready. Yeah. Now open src, run underscore ecom, run underscore what exactly ecom. Sir, there is a small twist here actually. Not that much easy. Small twist. Get ready. Where exactly twist, you know? Load from local and do the changes, right? That is a twist actually. That changes where I am doing, please observe. Where I am doing, any idea? Guess chestara. Mostly imagine I wanted to load the data. I wanted to do the changes. Where I used to do? Good, well, come again. Very good, very good. But the same module we are doing, but separate function I'm writing actually. Okay, good. Let me show you. We'll get an idea. You're almost 90% valid actually. Yeah, in tools. Do you want to do any changes? Touch tools actually. Do you know the meaning of utility? Make utility meaning delsa? Let me tell you. What do you mean by utility? You know, on daily what we are using, that is called as utility. Early morning when you wake up, you are using your brush, that is called as a utility. Your water bottle is utility. Your laptop is utility. These are all daily base we are using. That's what that folder name is called as a utility actually. Utility. Okay. Yeah. Good. Very nice. So let's move on. Yeah, I hope you know the next step actually from ecom import utilities. Perfect. We are loading the function blah blah blah. I hope you already know this one actually. Even I'm sure you already know the next step actually. Okay, sir. Instead of Nirikshan chaptara, Daniel. Very good. If you want, let me copy paste. Copy paste this. Users matching. Daniel, not matching. Replace it then. Desktop matching. Project not matching. Replace it. Ecom 5 matching. Data matching. Raw matching. Then delete this. That's it actually. Compare like that. You'll get a nice. Notepad++ is awesome for this task. ఇలాంటి టాస్క్ చేయడానికి నోట్ప్యాడ్ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది నోట్ప్యాడ్ కన్నా రైట్ దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ హావ్ చూసన్ దిస్ యు నో దిస్ వన్ సార్ వేర్ వీఆర్ షోయింగ్ చెప్తారా వేర్ వీఆర్ షోయింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ రా till here you know I guess actually ECOMVISION 4 now this task is ECOMVISION 5 what is the task actually ఏం టాస్క్ చేస్తున్నాం you know we are giving an information successfully so and so thing is created actually okay get ready to understand stop here processing transactions data you guys are expecting the code in same module but I'm not implementing the same module why because you know sir front end always you have to decorate actually front end always you have to do makeup actual right so I'm just calling a function what is the function name where it is available init I have configured actually inside init tools what is that sir go for that very good actually you can just have to come here yeah exactly man perfect actually then what I need to touch actually this is the flow man in real time these are all dots dot number 1 dot number 2 dot number 3 these are all you need to connect to get the path actually now I'm sure I'm so happy why because you connected in one shot actually we know this function I'm not touching this very good now this function please focus the function would be process data good simple process data it's a simple one function right sir inside this one I wanted to load the file where you wanted to load the file from raw then go and get the path go and get what exactly path sir real-time project I request you nothing is there you no need to break your head actually no logical thinking just to spend some time users matching, Daniel not matching, copy paste here, desktop matching, project not matching, copy paste here, ECOMVISION 5 matching, data matching, raw matching, delete this. Perfect. You are loading the file. That file name we have hard coding as of now, that's okay. Otherwise, if you want, you can check the file, you can load actual by using list dir. By using what? You know how to load actual. As of now, I'm hard coding. Good. Sir, columns I'm preparing. Order ID, SKU, stock keeping unit actual. E-commerce terminology, SKU in the sense, stock keeping unit, invoice number. Right. The next one will be PD, read underscore CSV, raw file. Okay, we are loading the file. We are changing the name of the column. This is another way to change the name of the column. Yeah. We already know one technique, how to change the name of the column by using rename method. What method? Instead of that, names equals to, you can assign list of columns actually, skip the row. In a data frame, first row we have, right? We are telling skip that row and assign this column names actually. In the given data frame, what is the first row actually? Existing columns. What is the first row? Hey, I don't want that. Then you can skip the first row and you can just have to assign this column is actually successfully have changed the name. Successfully have changed what exactly? Sir, our task is done. Go back here, go back here, go back here. Yeah, Daniel, when you are calling this one, you will get a processor data. You will get a, do you think our task is over? What is the pending? Save into? Perfect, man. Perfect, actually. That's what we need to do. That's what we need to do. Such a great project discussion today. I don't know how many of you understand. If you want tomorrow also, I will revision one more time. But before that, do one little practice actually. Chapan sir, users matching, Daniel is not matching, copy this one, and desktop is matching, project is not matching, copy this here. ECOMVISION 5 is matching, data is matching, processor is matching. That's it. Are you ready? Sir, did you understand? Good. Let's ready. In front of you, I will do one thing. ECOMVISION 5. I will open first raw folder. It's okay. Minimize this. Next, what folder I will open? Any idea? Yeah, very good. Keep this one also. Wow. First, which folder file will be created? Raw. Next one. We are not doing manually. That's the beauty. We automated actual. Sir, with code we can do anything, sir. Yeah, created, loaded, processing. Created actually. Did you notice? Can I run one more time? If something somewhere went wrong location, it will tell file not found error. What error? If raw folder name is not matching, processor folder name is not matching, common error whenever you are running this project, you will get a file not found error. మీకు file not found error వచ్చుద్ది. ఈ సినారియోలో అవ్వదు సార్. ఈ సినారియోలో అవ్వదు. అవుతుంది. ఈ సినారియోలో అవుతుంది. బట్ దట్ యూ కెన్ స్కిప్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ. What you can do is you can write a separate program. I mixed the program. That if you want, you can write separate module actually. You can write a separate module. You got right? Yeah. Yeah, good. Transaction underscore items. Next one is what exactly? Processor underscore items. Can I ask you a question? Why can't we create the same file inside raw actually? Sir, raw means raw. Don't mix up with the processor data. Best example, I went to market. I brought tomatoes, kind of some tomatoes. That is a raw. My wife, she kept in one small basket. She is getting ready to prepare the curry. She taken that basket and keep inside bowl actually. She washed it. Do you think again she can keep in the basket actually? No. Separate location is required. Processor data separate, raw data always separate. Raw data. Okay, nice. The good news is we're done with ECOMVISION 5 versions. Did you understand? But let me tell you, depends completely your practice. We done today's session. 1 minute, ma'am. So I will share the total versions we have to do practice, and only 5 versions I will cover. Remaining versions assignment for you. Not only for every batch. Not only for you. Almost all batches I used to do the same thing. Now, చెప్పండి sir, చెప్పండి ma'am. Yesterday what happened, so I'm having some network issues here itself. While I'm logging into the Gmail, I don't know, this browser is misfiring actually. See, I'm not entering anything, but it is keep on moving actually. See, I don't know why this problem. User. Now it is connecting. First, let me upload yesterday. Can I remove this? Is it okay? I have uploaded, sir. I have uploaded. Oh, okay, okay. Sorry then. Thank you. We done today's session. We'll catch again tomorrow. Let us just to upload. No, 126 here, Daniel. Correct? Am I right? Yeah. Did you cover NLP? Okay. Project discussion, model deployment, computer vision. Running notes number supposed to be touch 150th number. 150. Now what is the number? 120? Yeah. Then we are almost very near. Yeah, Power BI. Database did I cover? Easy. Power BI will cover. Yeah. Those are, it won't take much time. We're almost very near. Edge actually. Sorry for late.
SKU and product ID, sir.
మీరు అమెజాన్ లో వర్క్ చేశారు కదా. ఓకే. స్టాక్ కీపింగ్ కోడ్ అని దానికి షార్ట్ నేమ్ ఇస్తాం.
అది కరెక్టే సార్. మామూలుగా ప్రొడక్ట్ ఐడి అన్నమాట. అంటే మన ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఒక ప్రొడక్ట్ ఐడి SKU ఉంటుంది. కరెక్ట్. అది నీకు యూనివర్స్ మొత్తం మీద సేమ్ ఉంటుంది.
yes sir.
కంట్రీ బేస్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది.
yes sir.
సో అది అలాగ అన్నమాట సార్.
you're right. I got it. Yeah, thank you.
నిన్న మీరు ఇన్పుట్స్ తీసుకొని పాతదే తీసుకొని చేయమని సార్.
ఒక నిమిషం అవుతారా? అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాం. 1 minute. Let I just do projects, right? That's it. I uploaded, I guess. Running notes I uploaded and the projects also I uploaded. I can talk tomorrow. Somebody is asking some questions.